What keeps me motivated at Atlas Copco is the constant change and constant new products that are offered. There's always something new to look at and work on, and there's always new ideas floating around, so there's never a bad idea.
One of the coolest things that I've worked on and continue to work on is the fact that we've pushed to limits with some of our automation solutions. We work very closely with our partners to develop new and better solutions, and sometimes those push the boundaries, which I find can be very cool.
If you have an idea, you can turn it into something else, and I've constantly been surprised by how much Atlas Copco lives that out every day. My role as solution development manager gives me the ability to be really creative in an engineering field, which is pretty uncommon, that you actually have the flexibility to create new things and spend time researching and developing new ideas in an engineering role.
I think one of the things that sets Atlas Copco apart from other companies is just the fact that management is very good about knowing your role and knowing what you do and allowing you the freedom and creativity to be able to do it and not just kind of micromanage you. And I just really appreciate that they give you that freedom, and I'm able to perform at a high level because of that.
I think comparing to other companies, Atlas Copco allow us or employees to try our own way to figure out how the things work. Even sometimes they didn't work out the first time. So I think overall it's a better philosophy to achieve the final goal.
Knowing how global this company is and what kind of changes and impacts the company has through its innovation to the world. I believe the sustainable growth it's what really runs my motivation. How the company cares for the environment and how the company cares for the world and the people. This motives of Atlas Copco is what really motivates me to make a change with Atlas Copco towards the world in a better, positive way.
Atlas Copco keeps their people and have this powerful to keep everybody here. Even I started to work and I saw people working here for 20, 25, over 30, 40 years, and for me this is great.
I think the biggest thing is that I've experienced is management's willingness to be open and try new things. I think as an engineer or in the world of automation, that's very crucial, right? You don't want to be, constrained in a box. You want to be out there. You want to put your mind to work.
So I stay connected to the real world impact every day as I drive down the street and see the cars that I worked on, the tooling we provided, and I saw it from the beginning and now I see it on the road.
As a manager, I actively encourage my employees to go out, find new ideas, apply them, try them, learn from any of the failures, and drive new ideas really proactively.
We are a business, we're working for a better future. We're working for a better future for the people that's around us and the environment and the planet. We're just not exploiting the planet, but we're like actually sustaining the environment and to the point where our future generations can also live a healthy and happy life.